Module 3, Visionary Leadership, presented by Daniel Prey. I'd like to talk today about what it would look like in USD 323 if we had technology now, if we had computers now, if we were fully staffed and integrated into technology. Why is it important to get computers and technology into the student's hands at a young age? I'd like you to think for a second of what you want out of this school. You want them to be the best? You want them to have the best? You want high test scores? You want data from assessments in seconds and not days? You want the ability to grade in seconds and not days? Do you want our kids to be connected not only locally, but at a state level, at a national level, at a world level? All of these things are in the plan, can be attained if we only buy in. Technology and data, having results with a click of a button. What kind of impact would that have on your teachers? Right now, if you go to Google Forms and you write a test, and you simply click a button, those tests, how our state assessments are done, multiple choice answers, drop downs, only click a button after giving that test, dropping pictures in, adding audio, and you can have results in seconds. Data from assessments. What about state assessments? What if we could have that data that we could look at, that we could use to drive instruction? Wouldn't that be amazing? See, we have the ability. You have the teachers that are willing. People are using computers in classrooms. We just need more. 21st century learning. Do you know that 90% of all jobs use technology in some form? Our students need to know out of high school how to use and handle and understand the basics of technology as they're putting their applications out there. New digital age tools allow workers to do what previously was done by multiple. One person can run the show of what it took many to do. Higher paying jobs use technology and require those technology skills. And the use of digital age tools has increased 50% since the year 2002. And I don't see it slowing down. What about the research? What does it say? I'm sure you'll find articles out there in favor of technology. And in fact, I've put one on there for you. What do we know about students? They need to be engaged. How are we going to engage our students? That is the best practice and can go along with technology and a variety of other methods. Our whole job is to engage our students and to be active learners. We can set them in the right direction. Some are visual learners, some are hands-on, some are auditory, and others are a combination. Students are expected to enter the workplace with the 21st century skills. The research is clear that we need these kids to have technology in their hands. They need to be coming out of our school with the ability to do basic programming, basic understanding of both Windows and Apple. How can we implement this now? There is a plan. Our technology needs to be in our teachers' hands. We need to get iPads into our teachers' hands. We need to get laptops into our teachers' hands. We need to get cutting edge material into our teachers' hands. And after that, we train them. We send them to workshops. We bring trainers in. We get our tech guys on it and putting at staff meetings and plan days just little bits of technology information into their heads so they can take that back to the classroom. And lastly, we get it into the students and the stakeholders' hands. And we train them. And we get them to use these digital tools for the benefit of learning and for the benefit of career seeking and the benefit of USD 323. Thank you for listening to my presentation.